Hi, David and Nathan. Just wanted to send you a video in regards to your 5-week master class in note investing that I took recently. I really enjoyed every single week. The material was a little overwhelming. I've had some experience, as you guys know, before coming in buying one-offs, but nothing. I didn't have any real systems in place. And after taking your 5-week class, I have a system in place. I have a bid calculator all set up. The spreadsheets are fantastic. Yeah, so overall, great class. Filled in a lot of knowledge gaps for me that I had, which obviously gives me confidence now to go out and bid on more loans. I really like the fact that I had some real life experiences during the class that you guys were able to walk me through. So yeah, great class. Thanks again for putting that on. Really also enjoyed seeing you guys at the conference and looking forward to anything else you guys are putting on. All right, take care.